Hello guys, welcome back to another video. How are you today? Today our topic is about image analysis. Image analysis or imagery analysis is the extraction of meaningful information from images, mainly from digital images by means of digital image processing techniques. Image analysis tasks can be as simple as reading barcode tags or as sophisticated as identifying a person from their face. Computers are indispensable for the analysis of large amounts of data, for tasks that require complex computation, or for the extraction of quantitative information. On the other hand, the human visual cortex is an excellent image analysis apparatus, especially for extracting higher level information and for many applications including medicine, security and remote sensing. Human analyzed still cannot be replaced by computers. For this reason, many important image analysis tools such as edge detectors and neural network are inspired by human visual perception models. Digital image analysis or computer image analysis is when a computer or electrical device automatically studies an image to obtain useful information for it. Note that the device is often a computer but may also be an electrical circuit, a digital camera, or a mobile phone. It involves the fields of computer or machine's vision and medical imaging and makes heavy use of pattern recognition, digital geometry, and signal processing. This field of computer science developed in the 1958 academic institutions such as the MIT lab originally as a branch of artificial intelligence and robotics. It is the quantitative or qualitative characterization of two-dimensional 2D or three-dimensional 3D digital images. 2D images are, for example, to be analyzed in computer vision and 3D images in medical imaging. The field was established in the 1950-1970, for example, with pioneering contribution by Israel Rosenfield, Herbert Freeman, Jack E. Bridgman, or Kingston Few. There are many different techniques used in automatically analyzing images. Each technique might be useful for a small range of tasks. However, there are still aren't any known method of image analysis that are generic enough to wide range of tasks. Compared to the abilities of humans' image analyzing capabilities, examples of image analysis techniques in different fields include 2D and 3D object recognition, image segmentation, motion detection, example single particle tracking, video tracking, optical flow, medical scan analysis, 3D pose estimation. The application of digital image analysis are continuously expanding through all areas of science and industry, including Microplate reading, such as detecting where a chemical was manufactured.